with customer professional manufacturing in Indonesia, and he used our machine and excellent in daily output.
Hello, welcome to Lisheng.
Hello, Ms. Nancy.
Very happy to meet you again. So today you come to buy machine again. Your machine is which customer use this cover?
We are producing cups, bowl, and lunch box. The main customer is Wings Group. Wings Group is two of the biggest producer in Indonesia.
What product do you print?
We producing paper cups, paper bowl, and lunch box. So all the product now is being printed by our own machine, flexographic machine printing from Lisheng. Before we using the offset printing machine. Now we change to the flexo printing machine.
How many color do you print?
Our machine is 6 color. Like this one, this is a 5 color printing. The CMYK plus the yellow color. So almost all the printed is now already can do by ourselves. The most product that we print is the ice cream cup. One time printing is around 8 to 9 roll, 9 big roll. Once a month we should print this kind of ice cream cup. We produce around 5 to 6 million cups a month.
In our machine, easy to operate.
Yeah, now it's being easy. Yeah, we do for 2 shift worker. The first shift is using for printing, from doing printing, and the second shift is to make the preparation, exchange the cylinder, clean the oil pump, printing chamber, like that in the second shift. So in the morning, just starting for running the printing production. Your machine is good, no any issue. Our machine can print to 250 meter per minute, yeah. But the actual printing we just running for 150 meter per minute. The problem in Indonesia is the ink quality. We use the local pan graphic. Pan graphic is used from Taiwan, and the other is DIC ink from Japanese. But both of them still cannot certify running with high speed your machine. But the machine only is no any issue. Can run whatever we